Here we have the PDF we created in the previous movie, and as you can see, we can navigate from one page to the other like this. But if we want to go back to the beginning, we have to just navigate through the pages. We could, of course, come up and type it in here. Not really a big deal in a small publication like this, but if it were something a lot bigger, we'd want to be able to navigate to the pages. So let's go back. We'll close this one out first, or we won't be able to save it next time. We'll go back to our brochure, our InDesign document, and what we'll do is we'll put a home button here that lets us always get to the home page. So let me come over and go to our master page, because that's where we're going to want it, and we'll go to our button library here, and we'll just choose this one here. It's kind of similar to the ones we've been using. Just drag it out to our page, close this up. Let me resize this. It's a little awkward, that size. There we go. Close it up, and we'll move this one back here. Now let's look at our button actions. If we come over here to our buttons, here you can see that it says go to page, and it goes to page 1. Now this won't work. It looks as if it will, and what I'm going to do is delete it and show you why it won't work. I'll delete it. It gives me a little warning, and now we have got to add the action that will work. So I'll just call this home for the home button, and on release, that's, after you click on it there, on release from clicking on it, what is the action? Let's click this plus button to add an action here, and here we have a number up here at the top, but down below we have SWF or Flash only and PDF only. Notice that go to page is a Flash only option, so it's not available for PDF, which we're using at the moment. They've got some that are Flash only, some that are PDF only down here. However, there is one we can use up here, is go to first page. So that's a handy one and useful for this particular document here. So now we've got the action go to first page on release when we click on this button. So I'll close that out, and what I'm going to do is put some text here on top of it like this. We'll just call it home. Select it. Let me just change the font and give it a little bit of formatting here. Let's choose 24 points, and we'll center it. Control Shift or Command Shift C. Move it down onto the page here like this, and there we have our home button. Let's go to our pages, and we can see it's on all our pages like this. Now let's export it to PDF and see what happens. Control or Command E. We'll just hit save. We'll overwrite the existing file and accept all the defaults.